guys, welcome to Advantage Assam 2.0. This side Anuj Sharma reporting live from Elets Studio. So I have with me Mr. Vineet Agrawal, the Managing Director of Max Event. First of all, sir, thank you so much for joining in today for this exclusive interaction. You have been here since morning, sir, and we have witnessed, a remarkable inaugural session today.
Yes.
How has your experience been for attending the program today, and what is your key takeaways for such large-scale growth investment summit in the state of Assam, sir?
So, thank you for having me, Anuj. It's a pleasure to be here. The first impression that you get is that this is a very passionately, tirelessly put together event and driven by the passion of our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. 𝐀𝐝𝐯𝐚𝐧𝐭 Sharma. And it's quite visible from the time you enter the city. I've spoken to some of the delegates who were so diligently well looked after right from the time they landed at the airport to the time they were put to the hotels, they were brought here. So everything was very minutely, meticulously planned and executed. And that is quite visible in the grandness of everything. And that shows us, how passionate a person and a leader is Dr. 𝐀𝐝𝐯𝐚𝐧𝐭 Sharma. And when the leader is so passionate, no doubt the journey will become beautiful, and that's what we saw with top leaders of the corporate India being here, and everybody being so optimistic and putting in a lot of investment commitment. I think it's all driven by our dynamic uh, chief minister.
Absolutely, sir. I think kudos to the administration and the management of this Advantage Assam team. Sir, Max Cement has been one of the pioneer group here, specifically in the mining mineral cement industry. And in fact, Max Cement is also viewers. Let me tell you, they are also featuring in the special souvenir of Assam government, which is being launched at this Assam Advantage program tomorrow, 26th of February at Brahmaputra Hall, 4:30 p.m. So, sir, if you can specifically highlight some of the commitment of Max Cement, which has been there for the state of Assam, and some background about your group and how you are looking forward to continue your success story emerging from Assam state, and any of these specific those of success story you would want to highlight, any MOU detail that you are exploring with the government, sir.
Sure. So I'm happy to inform you that Max Cement, we've been in the state even before any summits were planned. We are one of the first private sector investors in the region of Northeast. We were one of the largest private sector investors in the region of Northeast, and also because our own roots come from Northeast, so we are always very committed to the region of Northeast and Assam in particular. And it's the success of companies like us, which is perhaps emboldened the spirits of much bigger corporates that are now looking into Northeast, and we are very happy to play our part. We've been here for 15 years. We've been playing our part in creating the infrastructure for Northeast. We built quality cement, which goes into the projects across Northeast, and the lot of infrastructure that has developed over the last 15 years is through the contribution of Max Cement as well. And we want to now expand our partnership with the state. So we are planning to put up a cement plant with green energy and as captive source, and we're planning to put about 520 crores of investment into that project. And we've already acquired our land, and we are ready to go as soon as there's a MOU signed, which we anticipate will be there today or tomorrow. And thereafter, we will expand our partnership with the state of Assam.
Wonderful, sir. I think kudos to your leadership and Max Group's commitment towards the state. And I'm very confident that Assam is emerging as rightly said by the Prime Minister in the morning. It is the gateway to the Southeast Asia, and with the groups like Max Cement, I'm very sure that we are soon going to achieve this mission. This was Mr. Vineet Agrawal, the Managing Director of Max Cement. Stay tuned for more such updates and interviews. This is Anuj signing off.